Hello and welcome to Khabula the Tea. On this channel, we bring you nothing but entertainment and trending news, honey. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Well, on today's tea, Siso Shabeni. Can you please congratulate if umama Lilizela where you are, if ubaba Shayizandla Sukumugiye, and congratulate Mpilo Mselegu who just graduated from the University of KwaZulu-Natal with a bachelor's degree in social science. Congratulations, Ntombazane, you deserve it. She walked the stage to get her degree looking stunning and all confidence after her hard work to getting the degree. Indeed, it was a proud moment for the entire Mselego family. Sithi kanye kanye nabo, Ntombazane sakhalalisela usebenzile. She was not alone. She was accompanied by both her mothers, her stepmom, Thobile Mselego, known as Umakhumalo, as well as her biological mother, Thobile Zungu. It was a proud moment. Bayabonakala ukuthi they were so happy, congratulating and cheering her on while she walked the stage to get her degree. Siyabonga for making history for the Mselego family to be the first to graduate and get a degree. Indeed, you have made Umakhumalo, who raised you along with your mom and Musa Mselego, very proud. It was tears of joy for her biological mother, and she couldn't hold the tears anymore. They were flowing from her eyes as she was proud to see her daughter succeed. Her father was also there, Umusa Mselego, to congratulate her on such a big achievement. You can see that he is indeed a proud father and she has made him proud. Congratulations, Baba Mselego. So let's head on to social media on Facebook and see what they had to say. They are saying having two superwoman moms. What a blessing. Congrats, Ntombazane usebenzile. And there were so many congratulating her as well. But there were those comments where Usnenje just had to get the jabs. Uthi uzamani ni khuthaze nalo othi yena bayamzonda, and that is reference to Usne. Nkosi yami, ngazi kuthini kuyena udade wakhe ephumelela. Nangu omunye umihla yenkosi uthi noma angakhala aze abhoshe Usne angeke afike lana. Facebook had to come for Usne in this proud moment here below. Well, Tina City, congratulations, Sandra. Usebenzile, uqhubeke, uphinde ube isibonelo kwabanye. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.